This conference will now be recorded.
So the second method for finding the rank of a matrix is through the minors. Okay. So what is the minor? Here you see, this is what I did yesterday. Uh, a matrix A is said to be of rank R if at least one minor of order R does not vanish, means its determinant is not zero. Okay, and if you take any bigger matrices, they have zero determinant. Okay, for example, if you have this 2 by 2 matrix, it only has one minor 2 by 2. The biggest minor is itself 2 by 2. And if you take the determinant of this whole matrix and it is not zero, then this is the rank. That's it. Your rank is 2 because your 2 by 2 matrix, second order matrix, means 2 by 2. Minor is a square matrix, so it has to, when we say second order matrix, means 2 by 2 matrix because it is automatically square. Okay, so if a second order matrix has determinant non-zero, the rank is 2. Okay, if this second order determinant has matrix determinant 0, then rank is less than 2. So either it will be 0 or 1. For example, in the next example here, you see the determinant came out to be 0. This is also a 2 by 2 matrix, but the determinant came out to be 0. 3 to the 6 minus 6 1 the 6. So the determinant is 0. We cross multiply, right? 3 into 2 6, 6 into 1 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now it means the rank has to be less than 2. Rank cannot be 2 because the second order matrix has minor 0. So you have determinant can be either 0 or 1 now. Okay, so it cannot be 0. There are only 3 possibilities for 2 by 2. We remove this possibility because this determinant is 0. Now it can be either 0 or 1. We know that the rank of a matrix is 0 if all the entries of matrix are 0. But we see that all entries are not 0. 2 1 6 3, these entries are not 0. Even if one entry is not 0, the rank cannot be 0. So 0 is also gone. It means we are left with only rank 1. So the rank of this matrix is 1. Okay, you see, if you go up here, uh, we say that the rank of a null matrix is defined to be 0. Okay, if you have null matrix, means all entries are 0. So if all entries are not 0, the rank cannot be 0. It has to be greater than 0. So we removed this possibility, we removed this possibility, so I only have this possibility of rank 1. So my rank is 1. Now if you go to a bigger matrix, there are 3 by 3 matrices as well and 2 by 2 matrices as well, because it's 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4, so there is no 4 by 4 matrix in it. So I have a minor of order 3 and minor of order 2. The first minor of order 3 is this, the first 3 columns. Then you can remove the third column and take this one. This is the second one. So column 1 2 3, this is your first minor, column 1 2 3. Then column 1 2 4, column 1 2 and 4, this will give you the second minor. Then column 1 3 4 will give you the third one, column 1 3 4, and then the last 3 column, this is the fourth one. So there are 4 options, right? So this is column 1, column 2, column 3. Then column 1 column yes, column 1 column 3, column 2 3 4. This is column 2 3 4. Okay, and this is column 1 3 4, column 1 column 3 column 4, right? So this is column 1 2 4. So there are, of course, 4 possibilities only. Now you see all of the determinants of 0. If you calculate these determinants, they are 0. Okay, so all these let me do one for you. Okay, let me calculate this, how I got 0. We start with this one, right? We write 1, and then we remove this row and this column. We remove this row. So I got 3, 4, 7, 11. 3, 4, 7, 11. This is the minor. Okay, now go to the next one. Go to the next one, but this one with a minus sign. This one with a minus sign. Now I remove this row and this column. So I got 1, 4, minus 1, 11. Minus 1, 4, minus 1, 11. Okay, and now go to the third one, this 3, but this will be with the plus sign, plus 3, right? So I will get this column is gone now. So minus 1, 3, minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 3, minus 1, 7. So that's it. We only consider one row or one column. So this, I consider one row, so that's enough. Now you have to do these column, these small 2 by 2. So 11 times 3 minus 7 times 4. So 11 times 3 is 33 minus 28. 5. 33 minus 28 is 5, minus 11 plus 4. So that is minus 7, right? And then plus 3 into 7 times minus 1 is minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is 4, right? So you see, this is 5 plus 7 minus 12. So what is this? This is 0, right? So 12 minus 12 is 0. So see, I got the 0 answer. That's how you have to prove all of them. You will expand this, you will see you got 0. Expand this, all answers will be 0. So all 3 by 3 minors, or you can say that minors of order 3 are all 0. So it means now rank cannot be 3. There are 3 rows, right? It's a 3 by 4 matrix. So your rank has to be less than or equal to 3. So your rank can be either 0, or it can be 1, or it can be 2, or it can be 3. All 3 by 3 minors are gone. So rank cannot be 3. So it has to be 2 by 2. So I will go and see the 2 by 2 rank. So I pick the first 2 by 2, this one. The first 2 by 2 minor is this. There are many 2 by 2 minors, but let's start with the first one. I picked the first 2 by 2 minor and saw the determinant is non-zero. It means I do not have to check other 2 by 2 minors. Okay, I don't have to check other 2 by 2 minors because first 2 by 2 minor is non-zero, so it means rank has to be 2. If your first 3 by 3 minor was not 0, I will state that rank is 3. I don't have to check any other thing. Okay, if for this matrix I check this first 3 by 3 minor and the answer is not 0, let's say, then I will directly write that the rank is 3. Don't go further and check all others. Stop here. Rank is 3. But I checked all order. So you have to start with the bigger one. You cannot start with a 2 by 2 minor. You have to start with the biggest minor in it. So the biggest minor in this is 3 by 3. That's why we checked all 3 by 3 minors. All were 0. So that's why we went to 2 by 2. Okay. Now the first 2 by 2 is not 0. So I will stop here. I will stop and say that my rank is 2. That's it. You don't have to go to other 2 by 2 minors. Okay. So this is one way of finding rank of the matrix. The other way was using the echelon form. So whatever is easy for you, but you should know both the methods, okay, how to find the rank of the matrix. We will use this rank of a matrix in solving the system of equations as well. Okay, so that's why this is little important. Is that clear? Any other question? If you have any other questions, I can answer that. Otherwise I can stop here. What we will do, if you have other questions, if you are solving on the paper, you can either send me the picture of the paper, okay, or you can make a small video of your steps and send me that as well. I will see and give you the instructions whether they are correct or not. I can do another thing before going having another online session. I can make a video of the next topic, 30-40 minutes video. You watch the video and then we have this type of discussion session online. I think that will save us more time. Instead of going through the whole thing online, I can make a video and send it to you. You see the video and write down the difficulties, and when we meet online next time, we can only answer the problems which you are facing. I think that's a better option for everyone. Okay, if you have any other question, I can answer you that before leaving.
Okay, Mr. Thanks.
Okay then, no questions. So I stop here, and